How you doing, guys? This shotgun that you're looking at right at this moment is a Stevens Model 820B pump shotgun. The shotgun is a 12 gauge. Features a 2 3/4 inch chamber. Single action bar pump. Bolt actually features dual extractors as well, which is very neat. 28-inch length barrel with a fixed modified choke and a standard single brass bead. Not too sure on the overall history on this particular gun, other than it was manufactured in Chicopee Falls, Massachusetts, if I said that correctly. I purchased this gun for around $135, which I thought was a pretty good buy. The gun seems to be in pretty good shape. I haven't had a chance to go out and actually fire this gun yet, which I think I'll do quite a bit of hunting with it come this varmint season. Be a nice gun for crow hunting. Just want to go over a little bit of the mechanics here. Cross bolt safety here in the front. Bolt release here in the rear. It's a very simple gun to take down and clean. I have had it apart, or I haven't had it apart yet, but from what I've seen, they're pretty simple to take down and clean. This gun seems to be in overall good condition. Not too much maintenance had to be done to it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. And if anybody out there knows a bit of history on these pump shotguns, these old Stevens shotguns, leave that information down in the comments below. And yeah, thanks guys for watching.